The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several locations for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in today's video, we'll answer the question, do I need a real estate attorney when buying a home in Illinois? We'll discuss what a real estate attorney does for buyers and sellers, whether a real estate attorney is required in Illinois, and some specific reasons why having a real estate attorney in Illinois will save you a lot of potential headaches. So buying or selling a home can be an exciting and infuriating process. All the negotiations, contracts, inspections, and legal hurdles can leave a person emotionally exhausted, and the final cut from the house sale can feel like adding insult to injury. Maybe you're thinking you want to save a few bucks and handle everything yourself. Why not? It's 2020, and after all, you can find a DIY guide for anything on the internet, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that's probably a terrible decision. So first, let's talk a little about what a real estate attorney's actual role is. So for both the buyer and seller, the real estate attorney acts as a type of fact checker during the contract review process and overseeing any modifications after an offer has been accepted. Once the buyers and sellers have agreed to a price and signed the initial real estate contract, the lawyer is going to review the contract. Typically, the buyer's lawyer will draft a modification letter that lists specific changes, credits, repairs, etc. that must be agreed upon during the attorney review process. Most of the items in the modification letter deal with issues found in the inspection, but your attorney can also suggest other things you might want to include in the modification letter, such as asking for previous claims, protections against legal repercussions beyond the loss of earnest money, etc., etc. So the seller's attorney is going to review the modification letter and work with the seller on accepting, denying, or requesting, more information from the buyers. The seller's attorney can also help clear up any confusing legal jargon present in the modification letter from the buyer's attorney. Throughout the negotiation process, the attorney review period, the real estate lawyer acts as a guide to keep the buyers and sellers from getting bogged down, in mountains of paperwork and research, and potentially false information as well. So the attorney also handles working with the title company and getting an up-to-date survey of your property so issues don't suddenly arise or at or after the closing, right? Once your funds enter escrow, the escrow officer will send a number of documents that must be filled out and signed. Even though your real estate agent has seen hundreds or thousands of these escrow documents, your real estate attorney will review the paperwork and catch any abnormalities, thereby avoiding you legal trouble. So perhaps everything I've said so far sounds easy to you and you're still thinking, I've got this, myself. I don't need to worry about this real estate transaction thing. But let's talk about some specific scenarios where an attorney would be highly suggested. So for sellers, again, you're selling a property that is in poor shape, possibly uninhabitable, or you're the representative or heir of an estate and the owner has died, or you already know issues will arise with the property based on your time living there, or you're selling the house to your kids or other family members, or you're selling a house with a difficult business partner due to a divorce, or due to a divorce. The property you're selling has tenants, judgments or liens against the property currently exist, and you are concerned about the tax consequences associated with the sale. So on the buyer's side, some other scenarios, you don't live in the town, state, or country where you're buying the house. You're buying a property that is in some form of distress or has structural issues. You're buying a property that is part of a larger estate sale or business transaction. A commercial property purchase. You're buying a short sale, foreclosed property, or you're buying historic property and plan to change the exterior. Those are all scenarios when you really need a lawyer. You also have an option to hire a real estate attorney, right? It's up to you. If you're a first-time home buyer, don't have a lot of time to commit to looking over documents or just kind of uncomfortable with the process, then you should definitely hire an attorney. But don't forget, for every 10 transactions that go smoothly, there are going to be 100 home transactions that do not. So even if you're already started into the negotiations without legal help, it's not too late to hire an attorney. You can hire an attorney before, during, or after the process is complete. Thanks for tuning in.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Hope you enjoyed our presentation of Learn About Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.